Alright, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Razer Lycosa gaming keyboard. And I'm going to start off again by saying this is for gaming, not just a regular keyboard, because you don't want to be paying this much for a regular keyboard. Alright, I'll talk about the functions and technical things about it. One of the nicest things about it is the backlighting on it. There's a little pad. It's touchscreen. Just tap it once and you'll get the gaming cluster. It'll light up your WASD, and you kind of can see on the side it's lit up dimly. Then if you tap it again, it lights the whole thing up. And this is mainly, I just use the whole thing all the time. And there's volume on the little touchscreen, and there's a stop, play, pause, fast forward, and rewind on the touchscreen. And if you hold the middle part of the touchscreen, you can disable the Windows keys right here so they won't pop up while you're in the middle of gaming. You don't want those popping up all the time if you accidentally press them. And it does have rubber, like a little rubber finish over it. They feel really nice, and so you don't really slip off. I've never had my fingers slip off a keyboard though. They just feel a lot nicer. And you will get a lot of fingerprints on this part right here. I got the regular edition because what's the special mirror edition? I don't know if it has the rubber keys, but it would kind of defeats the purpose, and you'd get a lot of fingerprints all over it. It also has full macro capabilities. You can program every key on here to do whatever you want. There's software that it comes with that you can program the macros in. And that's pretty much everything about it. It's a keyboard. What more can I say? I'd give this keyboard a 9 out of 10.